he is not working on site, that the machine is fully operating. Every movement is precise and controlled. The response feels immediate and natural. The cabin is completely empty. No operator is inside the machine. So how is this happening? Where is the operator located?
The operator works from a control room. Teleoperation connects operators and machines remotely.
Control inputs are transmitted in real time. AI assistance supports precision and stability.
Some environments are difficult for operators. Dust can reduce visibility and awareness. Hazardous areas increase operational risks. Extreme conditions affect safety and efficiency. Multiple cameras provide full situational awareness. Operators can monitor every angle clearly.
AI-assisted systems enhance perception and control.
The system works across many industries: mines, ports, factories, warehouses, and construction sites. Operations become safer and more efficient. Operators no longer need to be on site. Work can be managed from remote locations.
This is teleoperation with AI assistance. This is how machines operate today.